Stop right now. Put down your phone after this video. Go find your daughter and say these exact words. I love you exactly as you are. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to make me happy. You just have to be yourself. And that's more than enough. That takes 10 seconds. And it's the foundation of everything we're about to do. I'm not giving you theory today. I'm giving you the exact action plan. Word-for-word scripts, minute-by-minute routines, specific techniques you'll use starting tomorrow morning. This is for parents of daughters, especially around age 7, but it works for ages 3 to 13. You don't need to understand psychology. You don't need to read books. You just need to follow this system. By the end of 5 minutes, you'll have a complete daily plan. Let's go. Morning routine. Every single morning, before your daughter leaves your sight, say these 3 things. Write them on your bathroom mirror if you need to. Set a phone reminder. Just do it daily. Phrase 1. The character affirmation. Pick one character trait and name it specifically. You have such a creative mind. Your kindness makes people feel safe. You're so brave when you try new things. Not you're pretty. Not you're smart. Specific character traits. 1 per morning. This takes 5 seconds. Phrase 2. The capability reminder. Say something that reminds her she's capable. You can handle whatever comes today. You're going to solve problems really well today. Trust yourself today. Your instincts are good. This takes 5 seconds. Total so far, 10 seconds. Phrase 3. The unconditional statement. End with unconditional love. I'm proud of you no matter what happens today. Good day or hard day, I love you the same. Nothing you do today will change how much I love you. Another 5 seconds. Total 15 seconds every morning. What this does, your daughter starts every day knowing 3 things. Who she is, what she can do, and that love isn't conditional. 15 seconds. Every morning. Non-negotiable. Bonus action. If she's picking her own outfit, even if it doesn't match, say, I love that you know what you like. Don't fix it unless absolutely necessary. This teaches her to trust her own choices. Handling emotions. Your daughter is crying, angry, or upset. Here's exactly what you do. Memorize these 4 steps. Step 1. Stop and breathe. 5 seconds. Before you say anything, take 1 deep breath. This prevents you from reacting with stop crying or you're overreacting. Just breathe. Step 2. Name the emotion. 10 seconds. Say exactly what you see. You look really frustrated right now. I can see you're feeling disappointed. You seem angry about something. Don't ask what's wrong yet. Just to name what you observe. This shows you see her. Step 3. Validate. 15 seconds. Say one of these phrases that makes sense. I'd feel that way too. You have every right to feel this way. Those feelings are completely okay. Never say don't cry, calm down, or it's not that bad. Just validate. Step 4. Offer support. 20 seconds. Ask this exact question. What would help Rig? You now. Do you want to talk about it? Do you want a hug? Or do you want some quiet time to feel your feelings? Give her 3 clear options. Let her choose. Then honor her choice. Total time 50 seconds. Practice right now. Say out loud 3 times, you're allowed to feel angry. What would help right now? Make this your automatic response to every emotion. Confidence building. Every day, SP. End exactly 5 minutes doing this confidence building exercise. Set a timer. Make it routine. The 5-minute confidence conversation. Sit down with your daughter. Make eye contact. Ask these questions. Minute 1. What went well today? Make her name at least one thing. If she says nothing, you prompt. Did you help anyone today? Did you learn anything new? Did you try something even though T was hard? Teach her to recognize her own wins. Minute 2. What was challenging today? Let her share a struggle. Don't immediately fix it. Just listen. Minute 3. How did you handle that challenge? This is key. Make her identify what she did, even if it wasn't perfect. I asked for help. I kept trying. I took a break and came back to it. You're teaching her to recognize her own coping strategies. Minute 4. What are you proud of yourself for? Make her pick something. Anything. This builds internal validation instead of waiting for external praise. Minute 5. What's one thing you're looking forward to tomorrow? End on future-focused positivity. When to do this? After dinner, during a car ride, before bed. Find your consistent 5-minute window. Why this works: your training her brain to recognize her strengths, normalize challenges, identify her coping skills, build internal validation, and maintain optimism. 5 minutes daily equals 35 minutes weekly, equals 1,825 minutes yearly of confidence building. Action step. Put confidence talk on your calendar with an alarm. Today. Right now. Boundary training. Teaching boundaries is not optional. Here are the exact scripts. Practice them with your daughter until she can say them automatically. The 5 essential boundary phrases. Script 1. The basic no, no, thank you. Practice scenario: pretend I'm offering you something you don't want. What do you say? Make her practice. No, thank you. Clear, polite, firm. Script 2. The body boundary. I don't want a hug, kiss, or to right now. Practice with family members. You never have to hug grandma if you don't want to. Show me how you'd say no politely. Script 3. The time boundary. I need to think about it before I answer. Script 4. The feeling boundary. That hurt my feelings. Please don't do that again. Script 5. The space boundary. I need some alone time right now. Teach her this is okay to say even to you. Boundary practice game. 10 minutes weekly. Do this every Sunday. Role play scenarios. You say, can I borrow your favorite toy? She practices, no, that's my favorite. You can borrow this other one. You say, give Aunt Susan a big hug. She practices, I don't want to hug. Can I wave instead? Make it fun. Take turns. Let her give you boundary scenarios to respond to. Laugh together. Make mistakes together. Critical rule: when she uses these phrases with you, honor them, unless it's a safety issue. If she says, I need alone time, give her 10 minutes. This teaches her that boundaries work. Your response when she sets a boundary: thank you for telling me what you need. I respect that. Action step. Tonight, practice 3 boundary phrases with your daughter before bed. Me. All-time conversations. Turn meals into mental health building time. No phones, no TV, just conversation. The mealtime question rotation. Use these questions on rotation. Write them on index cards if needed. Monday. Gratitude. What's something good that happened today? Tuesday. Problem solving. What's something tricky you're dealing with? Let's brainstorm solutions together. Don't solve it for he. R. Ask, what have you tried? What else could you try? Wednesday. Learning. What's something new you learned today about anything? Thursday. Kindness. Did you see anyone being kind today? Were you kind to anyone? Friday. Future thinking. What's something you're excited about? Saturday. Feelings. What did you feel today? Happy, sad, frustrated, excited. Sunday. Pride. What's something you're proud of from this week? Rules for mealtime. Everyone answers, including parents. No judging answers, no phones or screens. Actually listen. Don't just wait for your turn. What this does creates consistent connection time, makes vulnerable conversation normal, builds communication habits that last forever. Action step: print out the question rotation. Put it on your refrigerator. Start tomorrow. Handling mistakes. Your daughter messes up, breaks something, fails a test, hurts someone's feelings. Here's your exact response template. The 3-part mistake response. Part 1. Separate her from the mistake. 20 seconds. Say this: you made a mistake. That doesn't mean you are a mistake. You're still a good person who did something wrong. There's a difference. This is critical. She needs tea. Oh no, mistakes don't change her worth. Part 2. Focus on repair, not shame. 1 minute. Ask these questions. What happened? Who was affected? What can you do to make it better? Not why did you do that? That creates defensiveness. But what happened? That invites honesty. Help her develop a repair plan. Apology, replacement, changed behavior. Part 3. Extract the learning. 1 menu. T. Ask, what would you do differently next time? Let her come up with the answer. This builds problem-solving skills. Then say, everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is learning from them. I make mistakes too, and I learn from them just like you're doing now. Total time 2 to 3 minutes. What never to say. I'm so disappointed in you. What's wrong with you? You always do this. What to say? You're learning. Mistakes are how we learn. I love you. Now let's figure out how to fix this. This doesn't change how I feel about you. Share your own mistakes. Once a week, tell her about a mistake you made and what you learned. This normalizes imperfection and models accountability. Action step. Write this 3-part template on a note card. Keep it somewhere you'll see it. When she messes up, bedtime routine. End every day with this 3-question bedtime routine. This is your non-negotiable. The bedtime 3. Sit on her bed. Make eye contact. Ask these 3 questions every single night. Question 1. What made you smile today? Make her think of something positive. Even on hard days, there's something. If she can't think of anything, did anything make you laugh? Did you see something beautiful? Did you have a nice moment with anyone? Question 2. Did anything bother you today that you want to talk about? Give her space to process hard things before sleep. If she shares something, listen without immediately fixing. Use the 4-step emotion method from earlier. If she says no, okay, you know I'm always here if you want to talk about anything. Quest. Ion 3. What do you love about yourself? This is the most important question. Make her name something. I'm good at drawing. I'm a good friend. I'm brave. I don't give up. If she struggles, prompt with what you noticed today. Then say this closing statement. I'm so glad you're my daughter. You made today better just by being in it. I love you exactly as you are. Sleep well. Total TI. Me. 3 to 5 minutes. Why this works? She goes to sleep with positive memories, emotional processing, self-affirmation, and unconditional love. This bedtime routine literally reprograms her brain for positive self-concept. Bonus bedtime action. Physical affection if she wants it. Hug, back rub, forehead kiss. Ask, would you like a hug, back rub, or are you good? Respect her answer. Action S. Tep. Set a bedtime alarm 10 minutes before her sleep time labeled 3 questions. Start tonight. Here's what happens tomorrow morning. Your immediate action plan. Tonight before bed, set 3 phone alarms. Morning, say 3 phrases. After school, 5-minute confidence talk. Bedtime, 3 questions. Write on a sticky note. and put on your bathroom mirror. Character trait, capability. Thank you, unconditional love. Choose one boundary phrase to practice with her. Tomorrow morning, before she leaves for school, say the 3 phrases. If she picks her own outfit, say, I love that you know what you like. Hug her if she wants it. Respect if she doesn't. Tomorrow after school, do the 5-minute confidence conversation. Validate at least one emotion she expresses. Tomorrow at dinner, Saint. Art the question rotation. Pick any question from the list. Everyone shares, including you. Tomorrow bedtime, ask the 3 questions. Give your closing statement. Respect her touch preferences. That's it. One day, complete the system. Here's the truth. You don't need to understand child psychology. You don't need to read parenting books. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to do these specific things consistently. 15 seconds in the morning, 5 minutes midday, 3 questions at night, 1 family meal with real conversation. That's 20 minutes total daily of intentional parenting that will change your daughter's entire mental health trajectory. 20 minutes that build unshakable confidence, emotional intelligence, healthy boundaries, resilience, and self-worth. Thank you minutes that prevent anxiety, depression, eating disorders, people-pleasing, and low self-esteem. Your daughter is 7 today. In 11 years she'll be 18. That's 4,015 days. If you do this system for just half those days, 2,000 days, you'll have given her 2,000 character affirmations, 2,000 capability reminders, 2,000 unconditional love statements, 10,000 minutes of confidence building, 6,000 emotions validated, 6,000 bedtime affirmations. That's not small, that's everything. So tomorrow morning, set those alarms. Say those 3 phrases. Start the system. Your daughter is watching. Show her exactly who she is. Capable, worthy, loved. Enough. It starts tomorrow. Go.